Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new video of crypto.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate your debit card or a physical card on crypto.com. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, log in into your crypto.com, and after you're logged into your account, this is what the interface is going to look like. After you're logged into your account, next interface will be directed to your home page. So right over here, you'll have to tap on the card icon in the top right corner of your screen. So once you're on this page, you need to tap on activate physical card, which is under card issue status. After you tap on activate your card on the other interface, you need to enter your CVV. After you enter your correct information on the other interface, you'll be notified that your physical card has been activated. After you successfully activated your card, now you need to create a PIN. So once you're done creating a PIN, once again, in order to confirm, you'll have to retype in. After you're done confirming, you have successfully activated your physical card or your debit card on your crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.